Welcome to St. Paul. I love it. Well, I was gonna go get a shave and a haircut. Huh. I wonder what he was getting. He must be getting breakfast or something like that. Pull the floater up on the service road. Guess I don't get a haircut and a shave today because I don't know what the heck's going on. Not open apparently. So, I guess the barbershop changed their time, their hours, without updating the Facebook page. So they're open at 9. That's why no one was there. So, yeah. Got a nice little trim. Shave. Good for seating, maybe. And while I was at it, picked up something I've been meaning to pick up for a long time. Some Sisal baler twine. I've been wanting to do this for a couple years, actually. Plastic. Oh, it's all nice. It doesn't degrade and whatnot. Mice still eat it. Pick the bale up, twines are gone. Also, a bad habit around here back in the day when we used Sisal twine. Well, you don't take the twine off, throw it out. Cows eat the twine, whatever they don't eat. Just because in the pile degrades, whatever. Well, plastic came along, and we'll use plastic twine. It is cheaper now, too. Before, I think it was expensive. I remember the first time we used plastic baler twine. It was for a neighbor. We were selling him Timothy straw, and he would only buy it if we used plastic twine, and he would pay extra for it. He didn't care. He wanted plastic twine. I remember we got him in these individual boxes with the rolls in them. And it was this whole big, we gotta remember to get plastic twine for Mr. Callahan for his bales. Now everything's plastic. But you got to cut the twines off, and whatever twines you miss, they don't degrade. So, being lazy, it's like, hey, what if we go back to twine, Sisal, and just leave it? Pop the bale out? No big deal. Just leave it. If they don't eat it, it degrades. So, I'm going to try that. We'll bale some straw that we didn't get baled last winter or fall. I'm going to try some Sisal twine out, see how it works. I'm going to pull all this Sisal. Okay. Come on. Come on. There, we got Sisal there. Got Sisal there. Golden! I'm excited to try this out. Dogs. The life of the dog, I tell you. Hey, Rexy. What's today? Today is April 11th, maybe? Yeah. Doing some... Where's the 11th? Yesterday... Yeah, this is like the 11th, I think. Do a little field scouting. Crop scouting. Look at this stuff growing. Yeah, we got some... What is this? Like wild strawberry looking stuff. Yeah, what else? Looks like some cowcockle. Some dandelion. Actually a fair bit of green stuff growing. More dandelion. Yeah, look at that. I think it's ready to seed wheat, huh, Rexy? Yeah, wheat or barley. Whatever it is that's going in here. Oh, I hit a rock. Let's see what we got down here. Oh, we got some plating. A little bit of cottage cheese, black cottage cheese, but we do have some plating going on. Some earthworm tunnels from last year. It's actually good moisture. Yeah, we do have plating. Look at that. Kind of breaking off in. But look at, there's a lot of worm. Ow. That hurt. A lot of. It's not too bad though. Could be better. Yeah, see how it breaks off in those. But definitely better than it has been. So how deep are we in there? To get down to more of the clayish. Actually, is that sand? I didn't know there's sand here. Clay slash sand. And actually, you can see, where was it? There. Looks like the earthworms are actually mixing that. We got a little bit of clay-ish looking stuff mixed in with the black topsoil. Jeepers! Gotta get the drill going. I like the look of that. Not fancy Midwest 6 feet of topsoil growing 6 foot tall rye hairy veg cover crops, but hey, this ain't bad for northeast gray wooded crap. What do you think, Macy? Rexy? Yeah? Yeah, is it good? Should we start seeding? Gotta get the sprayer out? Dang it. Gotta get the drill finished. Oh my goodness. Well, quick little stop for a grass fire. Let them finish the cleanup. Back to our regularly scheduled activities. Tractor's warmed up. Got a fresh cup of coffee out of the seed cleaner. He's cleaning canola. Getting the baler all limbered up. Listening to the whole area and all the grass fires going on. And we got rain coming. Apparently, maybe for tonight. Not much, like maybe a tenth or two. But hey, rain is rain. We're doing it. We're baling in April. Ah! Crazy. Kind of a little bit of a hard go starting. So I kind of didn't realize the gate lock was on. So, like, why is it not feeding? But we're feeding now. It's working. You can definitely tell the underside of the swath is a little wet in places. It's a little damp, but on top is dry, so we're fine. It'll be good. Well, I spoke too soon, damn it. Just as I went back into the next row, pickup plugged, and then suddenly I went to stop, and then suddenly the whole baler plugged. So Lisa right here at home, so I can just go ahead, dump the bale in the corrals. Don't have to sit there and chew away and try and mess with it. Not sure why it plugged. I might have actually gave her the juice a little too hard. It's like, hey, it's going good, let's kick it up a gear. Yeah, famous last words. The first bale of 2024. Oh, not that tight. Woohoo! Yeah, I did it again. I don't know, I might have to make the bales a little smaller again. So dump another one out of the cows. Clean this old wooden hopper bottom. This floor hasn't been cleaned in a while. Sucked wheat out of it, and there's oats down here. And of course, I don't know how long that lid's been open. So yeah, I gotta scrape it off the floor. But because Andrew's almost done the canola, then we'll switch to oats, And the clean oats are hopefully gonna go in here. Well, that's the plan, hopefully. Could be worse, right? Always could be worse. At least that's what I tell myself. Canola done. Now we'll move all the way over there to that fertilizer bin, and that's full of oats. Then, when oats are done, probably go to that bin or that bin and do peas, and those will go in there. Then we'll do barley that's in that big bin, and that'll probably go in there. And wheat is in this flat bottom, and it'll probably go in where the oats are coming out of. That's the plan for now. That may change. Well, looks like Dewey the drone needs to go for some repair. Friggin' clipped a tree. Landed on the tree nicely, but then had to like 20 feet up. So of course can't climb the tree. Try to shake the branch, and he fell down, and I think that poor little thing took the brunt of the force on his limb there. Poor guy. Guess he's out of commission for a while. And we're on oats. Mainly oats. There's a little few peas in it. Was seeded as pea oats, but not a lot of the peas grew. So we're just cleaning it like oats. So we have peas going. Most of the peas I think are going into screening. This works out just handy. Right in the bin. Beautiful Morgan oats. Oh, look at the cuties. The two early calves. Kind of the wrong bull. I like black. Steven doesn't. He likes red. But was the wrong bull. It's a black Simmental. If we're gonna have black, I want black Angus. I gotta go do some investigating, because looks like we might have another one. What do you think, Rexy? Stay with me. I think we found his mama sitting there pawing up the dirt. Hey, you. What's up, cutie? Hey, enough of that. Quit stirring the dirt. Freaking cow. Actually, might be because you're with me, huh? Another windy, blustery, pretty warm day, actually. The wind is not that cold. Andrew's cleaning peas, finished oats this morning, moved to peas, and now gotta get this auger to put in the bin, since the little transfer auger, self-propelled one, is not big enough. Of course, this one always has a flat tire. And also, what is it, like 1:30? 2 o'clock ish? It's 10 after 2. And oh, could I go for a nap? Oh my. I don't know what the heck. It's like a burnt out, and I haven't even started seeding. Like, oh, need a nap. Ooh. These are loud. Ooh, it is is a good jag. Geez. Oh, the sky is getting dark. There's rain clouds to the west. Could this be it? Well, they're saying we should get a little bit of rain.
This will be the first rain of the year. Oh my goodness. Oh,
it's raining. Oh my. Look at that. The window's wet. Ooh, I like it. It's not supposed to last long, but yet the clouds go quite a ways. It's pretty dark, but they say it's not supposed to rain much. Either way, I don't care. It's rain. The wind's picked up. It's blowing like crazy. I feel drops of rain. Big drops of rain. Dusty. Woo, look at that. Clouds are coming in. The wind's blowing. There's tornadoes. No, there's no tornadoes. But those clouds, are they ever moving? Oh, it's getting dark. More rain. That's really dark. Oh, I haven't seen clouds that dark in a while. Like back in the wet years when we get that all the time and you're like, ah, dang it. Ooh, haha. Oh, dang it. I just better put that. Oh, we should leave the hopper. Leave the hopper down so that it rains. It's actually raining pretty darn good. Just sit out in the rain after I put this auger up. Oh. Come on, you slow ass thing. The road's getting wet. It's so pretty. Let's sit here in the rain. It's kind of cold rain, but just sit here in the rain and enjoy it. Just like that, it's over. You might even got a 1/10 of an inch out of this. The first rain of the year. So shiny, everything's so shiny. It looks so cool. But that ozone, that nitrogen, that freshness. Let's fix his headlight. It's just, it's just orgasmic. This stupid thing. Just wiggle this. Boom. Oh, what the heck. Dumbass stuff. But no, it's just orgasmic. Like, yeah. I love it. Woo. Home time.